It's very important to know how to measure flour correctly for baking, or you can get terrible results. Welcome to Help at Home. I'm Jim Hightower. Today, we learn how to measure flour correctly for baking. So you just dip in your measure, get you a butter knife, slide it right across the top once or twice, put it in your bowl. That's the 1 cup. And to get a half cup, you dip it in. It should be overflowing. Doesn't have to be heaped up like this, but put your butter knife over it, sweep it over once or twice, put it in. That's how you do it. Perfect results every time if you know how to do it. If you like this quick tip, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe and share with your friends. Click on the bell in the top right hand corner to get notifications of new videos. Thanks for watching. I'm Jim Hightower, and remember, everyone needs help, even me.